Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Don't know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently someone asked, why is it that dancehall fans and fans who have looked at Vybz Kartel's situation believe that he was outright targeted by the state? Now, let's look into that reasoning, viewers and subscribers. First and foremost, I'm going to quote something from Michael Dawson, business partner and also co-author of Vybz Kartel's book, The Voice of the Jamaican Ghetto, one of the most critically acclaimed, a bestseller I might add, in this generation of authors and lovers of literature. Now he said, and I quote, "The system has always been after Adidja Palmer. There have been many practitioners in the dancehall genre that can talk about the system, but when Kartel did, it resonated with the people, and true people paid more attention because he was not just someone who was speaking from a social standpoint, but he was also an entertainer. This was the same individual who gave them the music that entertained them. Now, he took the defiance of the system to the people in a way they liked, and they, the powers that be, can't have that." Now let's explain. The teacher used this platform and any given opportunity to educate the masses. Now who remember the interview? Recently a caller asked him for a live, if me did remember. Now the post was posted. Now the teacher was quoted as saying, "The power of the people is stronger than the people in power." Now that's a quote, viewers and subscribers. Now viewers and subscribers, that was from the book Revolution 2.0 by Wael Ghunim, a Google executive, viewers and subscribers. Now he was quoted as saying, "Social media allows ideas to be shared. They are places where people can unite and revolutions can begin." And he was one of the faces of the revolution, viewers and subscribers, in Egypt. And he used social media to unite the people, as we have seen in these later days. Vybz Kartel used his music, his platform, to show the people and the masses that, look, the situations go deeper than we have talked about. When the teacher started talking about Freaky Girl, him putting on the lyrical content, say, "You know where I'm right now? We are mash up them double standard." Because them are going to talk like saying something where everybody love. But then everybody put it in a music. But the teacher put it in a music, in a form, or in a way that people liked. Ladies were not offended. Ladies actually felt liberated. The teacher actually made them feel empowered using the music. Same thing with social stance. When the teacher dropped tracks like Emergency, him created the awareness that, look, the fact that everything are raised up around your pay, them still appear the same minimum wage. That was not increased. But the price of all of goods, due to different type of goods, were being raised. But there was no talk by the powers that be. Parliament never that talk about raising the minimum wage so you could have pay for the goods where them are raised up all around you. The teacher took even the opportunity when him tell the people, them say, "You're the power. The people have more power than the people in power." That wasn't an interview with Winford. It was musically related, but him took the opportunity to shine some light on the way of thinking of the people. And that is where the hate all started, viewers and subscribers. People like to imagine or talk as if The system hate Vybz Kartel because of the raunchy lyrical content of dancehall music. Now remember, King Yellowman say, him forward the raunchiest song. In the early stages of dancehall music, I will not take it from him. We not go try discredit King Yellow. Because as a matter of fact, use him to affirm the point that raunchy lyrical content has always been in dancehall music. The teacher did not invent that. Yet still, being a prolific songwriter, one of the most gifted dancehall artists I have ever seen. Him find a way to put it where it kind of resonated with people. It was more vivid. The teacher paint a vivid picture with words. So even if it's a song, it's almost like you can visualize the lyrical content. And for good and for bad, the teachers used that technique to also shine light on matters that matter socially. And this is where the problem arises. They would want him to just be content with the Benz and the house and the hill. But him say no, want him to the other people. Remember when them that get taxi man a fight, one of the only artists who found out to that song for the taxi man them. Give them a chance to survive. Times so hard. We don't take poor people them for cartoon. The time we don't spend a try for band tune. Spend that time there to fix poor people house. Can't enough of them still each up in a one room. How much dancehall artists you feel like would have take to the studio and voice a track like this and then make it into a hit song? And some people that listen it, this blast on the radio waves for weeks. Everybody and them friendly that talk about it. And this is where the problem arose with Vybz Kartel and the state, or the powers that be, if you want to call them that, viewers and subscribers. It is not mere speculation, you see it. You yourself, not being a judge, even if you never go to the Michael Manley School of Law located at the UWI, you know so the sentence was so excessive that you can account for more than one individual that you know was been accused and found guilty of crimes more atrocious than what the teacher was even accused of, noting that he's an innocent person and proved he was never proved guilty. Them couldn't prove guilty. Them could have accused and the sentence fire off, but them couldn't prove it. But you know individuals who do what them do and they're on the road now. Talk about the sentence we hear a teacher get. Talk about the amount of years we hear before him eligible for parole without any proof. Think about it. And you're going to tell me it's not a clear conspiracy. Well, people have pointed out and them highlighted the different reasons why. And them can't go around it. Them can't go around it. The teacher took a stance that the system didn't like. All attempts to do a change your mind from talking about what him believe in, talking for the right of the people. As him say, him is a musician but also a journalist. And him a document what is taking place in the inner city. And them the one that highlight. As a matter of fact, for the powers that be, them in the life for people for things say, yo, Jamaica is just the 6 miles of white sand on the north coast with all of the hotel. And I say them talk about tourism so much. You know, them talk about let's export what we are grow here. Let's export the culture, the music. No, all them tell about the tourism and the tourism sector and the beach, and that's all them talk about. And that alone their yard. As a matter of fact, the music contributes to majority of these foreigners who want to visit here. No overseas, but it's not only for commercial or showcase the Jamaican beaches like what them talk about. And not only for commercial or show over there. And the music make people still want to say them want to go a yard. And so want to go on a yard of the music. But I feel like say just the beaches. Of course. Lovely landscape. But for the better part, we have some of the better beaches, yes, because where we are situated in the Caribbean. But think about it. The Caribbean is filled with lovely islands all over. We can name for days the amount of lovely places you can visit right across the Caribbean. Big up the Caribbean diaspora. Them support dancehall music and them a chant freedom for Vybz Kartel as well. Big up Gaza right across the board. But at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, these are factual evidence we can point to and say, look on that. These are the clear reasons why the state has always been after Vybz Kartel, and not because him sing the song them with the ladies love. Yes, I mean, popular music video on the way. Remember, popular music video on the way, January the 29th, look out feet. Contest for those contestants of the popular challenge, winner will be announced on that date as well. I mean, thousands of US we are giving. Thing not shaky. You know the thing already, a Gaza Nation movement. But talk to me in the comment section if you and subscribers. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon did it. Drop a like on the vlog from a like where you the share icon is in close proximity. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out channel, check out the reason. Comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. You know there's something go already, and for those who don't, you man move settings fam. I wouldn't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course gonna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.